it's former PNP chief turned Senator Bato de la Rosa, who has been directly linked to the killing of drug suspects. Marian Enriquez tells us more.
Members of Red.
Former Albuera Leyte Police Chief Lieutenant Colonel Jovi Espinido claims getting marching orders from then PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa to, quote, neutralize personalities involved in the illegal drug trade. That included Albuera Leyte Mayor Rolando Espinosa, who was murdered while in prison back in November of 2016. According to Espinido, it was de la Rosa who appointed him as a local police chief.
Ang instruction lang na tulungan mo ako, Juby, at saka si President Duterte about this war against illegal drugs. So dapat, galingan mo ha, dapat mawala na yung mga drugs sa Albuera. Pag sabi na mawala, kasali na yung mamatay. That is very obvious for us, an officer,
So pag
Your Honor.
sinabi po sa inyo na mawala, ibig sabihin, mamatay, tao po.
So by all means, Your Honor.
By all
sasabi
means.
Yes.
Okay.
But by the time they're done with Espinosa and his group, it came as a surprise to Espinido when he was suspended for 1 month and was accused of receiving money from illegal drug operations. He was even included in a drug list. By August 2016, Espinido was back in service as police chief of Ozamis City in Misamis Occidental. In 2017, former President Rodrigo Duterte's drug list included Ozamis City Mayor Reynaldo Parohinog. By July of that same year, Parohinog and 14 others were killed in a police raid headed by Espinido. Coincidence, or did law enforcement act as a vigilante group?
I don't want to make any statement that the PNP itself is organized crime groups, but ang Chief PNP, siya kasi, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, it's very obvious na siya lahat, galing sa kanya lahat ang instruction.
Yun ang statement mo eh. Di ba? From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Who is the leader of the PNP, which you consider as the crime group? Hindi ba yung Chief PNP?
Yes,
and therefore, he's the Lord.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Would that be a correct conclusion of mine?
I am with you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Aside from PNP Chief Bato, may ibang tao po ba na nag-order sa inyo na i-dismantle yung drug group in Ozamis City? Meron po bang local officials or other personalities involved? Or was it only Chief PNP Bato and the former president?
It was only Chief PNP Bato de la Rosa, Your Honor.
After Espinosa and Parohinog, Clarin Misamis Occidental Mayor David Navarro was also killed in 2019, but Espinido denied having anything to do with that murder.
Nung nangyayari, Your Honor, na si Mayor Navarro is included in watch list, sa drug watch list ni PRRD. Tumawag sa akin personally si Chief PNP Bato de la Rosa at saka si Senator Bongo mismo na nag-declared kay Mayor Navarro. Ang sabi nila, wag mo nang galawin si Mayor Navarro kasi declared yan. Wala na yun.
On the supposed quota and reward system during the Duterte drug war, Espinido answered in the affirmative. He even claimed that the money for this came from small-town lottery and offshore gaming operations.
Alam ng mga pulis lahat yun, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na patayin, may reward. Kung mamatay yung nasa watch list, may reward system yun ang ibigay. Your Honor, Mr. Chair, maski may kasalanan yun o wala, may ginawa na totoong nabaybas o wala, yun ang pag-intindi ko sa dalawang klase ng reward at saka quota.
Espinido said he knows much more than what he told the Quad Committee today and requested an executive session. That closed-door hearing will be scheduled some other time. As for Senator De La Rosa, he confirmed that he ordered Espinido to neutralize personalities involved in illegal drugs, but he did not mean kill.
Kaya nasahin dyan, trabaho yung window ka. Wala mo ko sinabi sabi, nasayin kita dyan para patayin mo lahat ng mga adik dyan, lahat ng mga puser dyan. Patayin mo. Wala kong sinabi ko. Di ba? So yun lang. Trabaho mo yan, as chief of police, inisin mo yung kapaligiran mo. Magtrabaho ka para mawala ang gulo sa tulad.
For News 5, Marian Enriquez, we are One News.